Well, meanwhile, the special advisor to the president, Yao Osafo-Malfo, says government is aggressively injecting policies and reforms to facilitate the competitiveness of local industries. He cites the establishment of the new development bank, among other interventions, to cushion and capitalize local industries. Also, the special advisor also chastised the banking sector for what he calls is an aggressive attempt to take advantage of the leveling low of the policy rate, which he says is not inherent much to the betterment of local industries. Take a listen.
Government recognizes the challenges of a medium to long-term capital to our economy. You would have noticed that the banks, through no fault of theirs, have also preferred to lend short and maximum medium. Short-term lending is the icing on the cake for our banks, and for good reason. And as a result of that, retail trade, retail business have really flourished in our system, because the banks would normally prefer to lend short, so the traders had not much difficulty accessing bank credit, but industry has. And I think it's something we must look at. If we want to create employment, we must reverse it. Banks should feel more comfortable lending medium and long than lending short. And short-term lending must always be a coefficient of medium to long-term lending. I lend to establish an industry. That industry requires a working capital. That will be short-term lending. But for the industrial lending, for buying of plant and machinery, that will be medium to long. But for the working capital, that will be short. So you would have a term loan and also a short-term loan, an overdraft, you call it most of the time. The two must always go hand in hand. It cannot be that banks are more interested in overdraft than term loans. The two are sworn brothers in arms, and we must put them always together for the economy to develop and develop well. So AGI, you have a lot of work to do in making the Ghana Beyond Aid concept work and work effectively. There are certain areas we should not take for granted. We should look at and look at technically. We should look at and look at dispassionately if we are to move forward. The government has decided to establish a new development bank, and this has been mentioned by the AGI president and by the Honorable Deputy Minister. The idea is to find a solution to this term loan saga. We need it. And I believe that the new development bank will assist to address that problem.